What's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you guys a look at this multifunction ultrasonic cleaner. As we take it out, it comes very nicely protected. Lots of wrap, protecting it from any kind of smudges, fingerprints. Here is the power cord, nice and long power cord. So it plugs in right in the back there. As you can see, you've got a nice amount of room here for putting water in. There's actually a max fill line indicated on the back right there. So you want to fill the water up to there, and it comes with this nice little user guide. And each of these lights are to indicate how long you want this thing to operate for. So the first light indicates that you want this thing to run for 5 minutes. Then the middle light indicates 8 minutes. Final light indicates 10 minutes. So you can really choose how long you want to clean things for. It says for enhanced cleaning, you can go ahead and add a cleaning solution to this and also add hotter water, and that will help clean. But standard cleaning, you can just add regular water and just let the water and the ultrasonic waves do their thing and basically take off any amount of buildup you have on the outside of your belongings. Apparently you can also clean larger objects. Just take the cover off and then put like glasses and stuff in there, and you can put like one half of your glasses in and then run it again with the other half of your glasses. So you don't need the cover on at all times. And you can put larger objects in there if you're able to fit it in different orientations. The nice thing about this is on the box it gives you some general cleaning times. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to this and add in some retainers, and we'll go ahead and take a look at how this thing works. So there we go. We basically have this water in here ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and place the cover on that. The cleaning process has finished. Now we take this out, and wow, not a speck on these things. Nice and clean. This is as easy as it gets, and you always want to keep your retainers clean so this thing comes nice and handy.